Budget 2018, well, there were a lot of expectations perhaps from individual taxpayers, not much of relief to salaried taxpayers. The most significant change perhaps is the standard deduction introduction of 40,000 rupees per annum. But on one hand, while salaried class can avail this deduction now, on the other hand, there is a removal of the existing transport allowance and medical reimbursements exemptions, which roughly go to the tune of around 34,000. So net incremental reduction in the taxable income is only to the tune of rupees 5,800 per annum, hardly translating into effective tax savings, which are as nominal as around 300 rupees annually to around 2,000 rupees annually. The most significant or the most talked about provision, which is going to impact all individuals who invest in financial investments, and a capital market provision, is the tax on long-term capital gains at the rate of 10% now from 1st April. However, it's a guarded provision introduced because there is grandfathering of the long-term capital gains up to 31st Jan, as the Finance Minister announced yesterday. Keeping in mind the right to live life with dignity, there have been a lot of enhanced deductions and provisions introduced for senior citizens, whether in the area of medical insurance premiums, to prescribed critical illnesses that they perhaps have to go through, and also the interest deductions on their fixed deposits along with their savings bank has been enhanced 5 times. So there is a lot of cheer for senior citizens in this budget. Overall, we always knew that it's about expectations of the middle class, the common man, keeping in mind the Finance Minister's tightrope balancing of the fiscal deficit.